to Sip Niagara. I'm Jeremy Parsons, and this is one of the Caesars that you can make at the world's biggest Caesar bar. So this is my smoky barbecue maple. So we're gonna use the smoky maple Caesar mix from Walters, a little dash of Worcestershire to get a little bit of saltiness, some Grey J Canadian whiskey. This stuff is awesome for mixing. Some buffalo sauce, because everybody loves wings, and then some Neal Brothers barbecue sauce as well to give it some nice tang and sweetness. But we're not done yet. A little bit of Larissa's Korean barbecue jerky. Shake it up like crazy. And we're gonna pour it out. So you may be asking, why am I putting jerky in a Caesar? Well, because the alcohol actually breaks down the flavor and makes it amazing in the drink. There we go. Add your skewer. Boom. Welcome to Sip Niagara.